In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the audio section in CapCut on PC in just a few simple steps. If you've been looking for a quick way to find the audio tools inside your project, this guide will walk you through it clearly and easily. This is a great tip for anyone editing videos in CapCut and wanting to add music, sound effects, or voice audio without wasting time searching through menus. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut PC app on your computer. Once CapCut is open, go ahead and open the project you want to work on. You need to be inside a project before that editing tools become fully available. After your project loads, look at the top menu bar in CapCut. This is where you'll find the main editing categories, and the one you want is audio. Simply click on audio in the top menu, and that will take you directly into the audio section. From there, you can start exploring the available options for adding sound to your project. This is where you can usually browse music, import audio, or access other sound-related tools depending on your version of CapCut. So if you ever get stuck wondering where the audio section is, just remember, open CapCut, open your project, and click audio from the top menu. It really is that simple. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.